Okay, we are losing daylight, so I'm going to give you the rundown here, and I may just set this camera up and you guys can watch if you want. I may not have audio of myself on here because the vacuum's going to be running everything, but if you want to see how this vacuum works, I've got a video on that. You can go watch it. I've got some brood in here. I'm going to put a frame of brood in the vacuum. I'm going to leave a frame of brood in this box and leave it for any bees that may still be in the tree. The reason I brought the vacuum is because these bees are bearded and heavy on the outside of the box, which tells me they're too full on the inside. There was way more than this earlier today when it was hotter, but at any rate, I don't think they have enough space. I've already taken a nucleus colony back home, but I am going to close this box up and I'm going to vacuum up the rest of these bees and take them home as well, and then leave this nuke behind to collect any stragglers. So appreciate you watching, and I'll start the camera up again when I get everything set up.